Welcome to BabyBlab. On this beautiful journey, as a new parent, you will follow and learn how to take care of a newborn 24/7, step by step, tips and tricks on a daily basis. Let's share some ideas and experience together. Stay tuned, my friends. If he's probably dirty, that's the first sign he gives that when he just wakes up. Yeah. Let's see how much he put. I'll grab him. It's here. There we go. Let's change the diaper. So we lie down, change the diaper, see what's going on. So that's what my she said that he pretty much was sleeping. He was woke up, so he said for like 3 hours, I guess. Let me see if I have the angle to show you guys. I'm going to change his diaper. Okay, let's go. Real time, guys. It's 12:06 right now. He's gonna squeal with it. Yes. Guess what? No. So what I'm going to do is just pretty much hold him. Because now, it's like 6 times a year. Fast. So what I'm going to do is like, so that's it. I'm going to show you signs. He's a so it's never going to see the signs. Let's see what he's gonna do. You see? That's the first sign he's gonna be doing. Look. Look, you see? He's trying to look for something to grab it. There's a sign he's hungry. So you never know the form that time it told me very form and so just work. That's the classmate. So we have to do your education. So this one allows me to have 2 ounces right now. was it anyway now. That one out, so we barely see it. As you can see, the speck of he's white over the eyes, white over, so instead of the front anymore, we can 3 meters or so, lower that. Yeah, she's going to try out. So it's ready. Don't like the side of the computer. It's going to be fully lit. That means it's already all set. But then I'll show you the specific part when how to try it before you turn it hot, obviously, as we want. So I'm going to show you guys how to try it. I'll do it before I say it. So basically, got it right here, right hand. I feel it, shake it, feel it. You can see it's more. This one, you see turns through. And I see more right here. Before I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to formula ready. Right hand is ready. It's much easier than the making formula. Top. Sorry guys, I had to put him down. Feed hand one more time. So let me try once again to see if it's a good temperature. Trying the wrist. It is a good temperature. So we're going to get somebody. It's on the feet. Session rest. Let's see. Sleep mode, so we can't let him sleep. We have to burp him. That's a little, again, a bit funny. said that he's tough to burp. So what I'm gonna do now is put a hand on the side. Look, I've put a Oh, you guys are getting the best scenes. Did you see that smile? Okay guys, this has been quite 5 minutes. He's still here. So now we're gonna put him in his crib. And we're gonna let you guys know how I place him in the crib. Just in case if he still have reflux, because I'm gonna watch him for 15 more minutes. But I'm gonna place him in the crib right now. I'm gonna show you guys. It's not easy to find. I'm gonna place him on his rock. So that's it. Which I talk up. That's something. What's on? Okay, that's on the side here. Which makes it a little bit tilted. Okay, so I'm push it more here to make it sideways. So you're watching the one. Okay, because we'll show you the still one's eating it and he's burp. So it'll be that's pretty much how it's gonna be in the crib right now until he burps. But after 15 minutes, after that, I pretty much gonna place him flat, completely flat. So as you guys could see, that was a way you place the kid on the crib. Not to sleep yet because I'm gonna be watching him. I've been watching him for plus 15 more minutes, and then I'll flat him, and that's it. Remember, do not leave blankets close to the face or hands because the kid can choke themselves or not hurt themselves. Okay, so wait 15 minutes and let you see him flat. Subscribe, and this will be 1%. Welcome to the This is right. You have questions? Leave comments below. Let's see if he's gonna wake up. I'll be back with you guys. Welcome to day 2. 3 hours is sleeping. And now we're gonna do the same process again. I'm gonna get him and we started day 2. Let's see what happened. Change his diapers. The first thing I'm gonna do. But before I get him, we're gonna put his milk to warm it up. So this 2.5 ounces because he's gonna be really hungry. He passed 3 hours sleeping, so